Before you begin, remove the battery and optical drive. Removal. Remove the two larger rubber feet from the rear corners of the base enclosure. Remove the two smaller rubber feet from the front corners of the base enclosure. Remove the 9 10mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the base enclosure to the top cover. Important: if the notebook was not configured with an optical drive, you will need to remove an additional 10mm P1 Phillips head screw. Using a non-metallic flat-bladed tool, carefully separate the edges of the base enclosure from the top cover. Important: take extreme care when separating the edges of the base enclosure near the optical drive bay. This location is easily damaged. Remove the base enclosure. Reverse this procedure to install the base enclosure.